What skills do we need to create a product? Or, in other words, to make money? What gear is necessary for this journey? How can we make AI our creativity generator, and we ourselves can focus on other things? These are the questions we're gonna talk about in this video. And I, of course, will share my own journey of product making. To understand all these questions, we have to look at this diagram. There are 4 components of a product that I want to talk about today: skills, gear, AI, and Christmas. But wait, what does Christmas have to do with this? We'll get there. Let's start with the first one. I got into lamps, so that's what I will focus on. But you can apply the same principle for other fields. To make lamps, all I need is a PC or a laptop and a 3D printer. That's it, this is a bare minimum. You can also include sockets, bulbs and cables, but that's expendable material. Skill necessary to make a lamp is 3D modeling. That's it. You can start from the simplest forms possible and then advance to more complex ones. I actually have 3 different lamps for today. They will represent 3 levels of complexity, but more on that later on. This is a diagram of what trends we have throughout the year that can be used to define a theme of a product, at least in the United States. But this list is just a draft. There is probably a better list of trends, and you should adjust them according to your location. To come up with these trends, I used our next component, AI. As I have mentioned before, we should make AI our creative engine. We will need 2 types of AI, ChatGPT for ideas and an image generator for visual inspiration. I actually tried both paid and free image generators, and free one is not that bad and can totally be enough for this task. This is the name of a free one. We used ChatGPT to come up with trends. Now we can go deeper and use it for generating ideas specifically for Christmas. We've got a list of Christmas items, and I find these 2 are more lampable than others, Pine Tree and the Candy Cane. Now we move on to image generating AI. We get so many different ideas instantly. They could all be polished to a final product. I chose these 3 concepts as references, and this is how I went through with them. It's a simple shaped lamp, but this pattern suggests a Christmas theme. I think it counts. It would be a crime not to make this pattern on a Christmas lamp. It's actually a level 3 complexity. It consists of 3 pieces, and some of them are a little bit difficult to model. For the next one, we have a pine tree lamp, which smells Japanese, I know. And to get it look like it is, I combined a few generated images into one and got this result. It's a level 2 complexity. It consists of 2 pieces only. You can use it as a key holder as well. The next one is super simple. A form with slots, and you have two versions. One with printable plates, another one with cut veneer.
Passaggio verso